Welcome to the evil within. Let's play this. The artist of damn we've ever written. Okay. Please adjust that brightness, though. There we go. Nope, just kidding. Oh, that's not creepy. 55 is just the way I like it. Survival is just the way I like it. Bang, bang. Chapter 1. An emergency call. Tutorials can be reviewed from the pause menu. So I don't know too much about this game, but I know that there's some evil within. That was a terrible joke, but okay.
All units, 1199. Expedite cover code 3.
Am I a po-po?
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Ooh,
serious.
girl.
Is it a riot? We'll call one out just before I picked you up.
Oh, so
Said it was multiple
he's the smarty of the group. I can already
Half a
tell.
dozen units already on scene.
131, please
Hey,
advise.
maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127,
No, I am a police officer.
Joseph,
I don't get
you
creeps.
think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene respond.
I'm on scene, girl.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation?
Castellanos.
184, be advised.
Detective Castellanos.
Is there any...
Oh,
God damn it. Jesus.
don't crash. Oh, okay, it's good. There's just nobody on the road. But it's raining. It's bad weather.
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm
Oh.
sure we'll know everything once we get there.
Oh, she's evil. She's the evil within me. Police! Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. 20,000 people were murdered today.
What do you make of it?
Connell, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
She
Right.
seems awfully suspicious. You stay there. And blink them eyes, though. Oh, damn graphics, though. Chapter 1. Running, running, running. Where did the popo go? Where did all the popo go? Where'd my guys go? There's Junior Detective Kidman. She's junior. She's not up with the upperclassmen. The upperclassmen.
It smells like blood.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Stay sharp. We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of
that
eyes.
booty
We don't know
dog.
what's happening here.
That booty
You're
dog.
the backup.
Yeah, let's not take out my gun that I have. It's a good idea, right? Oh. It looks like there was a man did not turn in his taxes on time.
Did you hear something?
The cats are scared.
Someone alive in here.
Oh. Le hospital. Sir?
Injured. What happened here? Can't be real.
Bodito.
Impossible.
That Bodito.
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Okay. Check it out. Detective Castellano on the case. Oh. My coffee spilled some blood. Live feed. Oh, they're shooting it. Oh, so it's happening right now? Oh. It's Assassin's Creed. It's Ezekiel. Oh, hi there. No? Okay then. It's pleasant. It's probably... Oh. Well. Okay then. Huh. Oh, it's a rat. You ugly rat. You ugly. Oh, hello. Hello, sir. How are you? Good. Oh, I'm hanging upside down. Gross. Nasty. Go to the camera. Oh, he's definitely chopping someone up. It's pretty gross. Sir, how did we get here? Sir, I mean, focus, sir. Sir, we can get through this. This makes me so dizzy. Oh, gross. Oh, hello. Dad booty dough. Oh, he's he's carrying out of his body. That's so nasty. That's so nasty, dough. LS. I'm gonna swing and grab that knife. Dad, knife, dough. Okay, that's getting really annoying. I can grab it. I can grab it. So close. On this one, baby. I got it. Oh, okay, one more. This is it right here. What? Yep. Let's go. I feel like you break your back, but okay. Let's leg out. Oh, now I can do this? Where'd it go? Where'd the evil man go? Hello, sir. Oh. Can we crouch? I shoot. Do I have a gun? Control. Okay, artistic. Just learned that, man. I'm ahead of the game. Delivery! Dead body 1012516. Oh, wait, locked. Girl, locked. Shiitake mushrooms, girl. Oh. He's playing very nice. Uh-oh. Is he coming for me? I'm gonna follow his butt cheeks. I'm gonna follow his... What's this? What's this? What's this? X. Keys! Dem keys to that door, though. Oh shoot, he's coming back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get behind the wall. Get behind the wall. Oh. Oh. Oh, you can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now. Okay, let's go. He's like an actual smart person in the horror game. Like everybody else is like super loud. You know, who's in here? Checkpoint. Checkpoint, my friend. It's a checkpoint. Should probably crouch. I feel like I move faster with crouch. Or sneak or whatever. Where'd he go? Is he down there? Oh! What's that? That's not good. That's not good. Oh, I'm screwed. Is that the chainsaw dude? I'm screwed. Oh shoot, don't crouch! Don't crouch! Run! Run, open the door, don't be locked. Okay, that's good. Oh shoot! No, he's gonna kill me. Wait, that just separated me from him. Thank you, sir. Oh shoot. Run! Run! Oh, I'm slow. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Get to the other door. Oh no! I can go down there. Yes, I can. Oh, phew. That was so close, man. That was so close, though. Oh, I gotta move. Oh, I gotta move. To the right, to the right. To the left, to the left. Everything. Oh, cannonball. Ew. Nasty. Oh, nasty. Oh, gross. That's really gross. I'm just this pool of Kool-Aid. Delicious Kool-Aid. This game is actually doing really good. It's just these graphics, and the graphics match with like the I don't know. It's really doing it for me. Checkpoint. I will probably play this whole game. As you can see, I haven't really done that with all my games, but if you request them, I will probably finish them if you ask me to. Because Spitz Gaming never loses his faith on humanity. When has Spitzy ever done something like that? Can I go in here? Let's go. What's in here? Pick anything up? Nope, nothing in here. Oh, I thought it was gonna be locked. Who's that? Sir? Good, sir.
Where's the exit?
Where is it, sir? Tell me. Oh, no, from sir. Besides, sir, lock it, sir, there's a ladder or two. There's the door. If you make it through there, you find an elevator leading outside. You would be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. Thank you, sir. Sadly, you did not, but thank you, sir. It said at the end, but I think I can maybe... Oh, not that one. It's all locked up. Do I have the keys to that one? Nope. Do I have the keys to this one? No, I do not. Okay. Here's the ladder. This friend who was helping me. Oh. It's cool how I climb with one, like they really pay attention to detail in this thing. They make me climb with one leg. Because, you know, they just got chainsawed up the booty. Oh. Wow, that was fastest climb I've ever seen in my entire life. What's in here? Computer? How to get out of hospital X. Weather remote, success, confirmation, brain wave. Oh no. Staff began complaining of nausea. The man appeared. Oh, hell to the no. Can I go here? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. I will escape. Oh, yeah. Right here. Stop. Don't talk to me, y'all weaving. We're gonna end you ugly. Just kidding. You guys are beautiful. Stop. Don't talk to me, yo weavers. We're gonna end you ugly. What was that noise? X to hold. Oh, he's coming in here? Can I hide in here? Can I go in here? R2. Oh. Sir? Sir? Spectators, when we leave, when we continue, when we continue, we will find out if he comes in. Oh, yeah, he came in. Spectators, if I die, spectators, peace off. We will continue this game shortly.